Are you ready to see the... Yeah. Okay. Come, let's check the project 360 degrees. Hello everybody, welcome to... Alo. Buyurun. Evet. Okay, I'm putting it into the silent mode and closing. Before I start, I highly recommend you to watch our previous video, which I'm putting the link here, about Lavender Residences in Istanbul. This family has 3 children and 2 of them are staying together in this room. This is children room number 1. Let's have a look which kind of design we did for this room. Let's see together. Come, let's check the project 360 degrees. I prepared our project. These are my 360 renders and I'm selecting first version I proposed for my customer. So let's see. As you see, we have a big room and we have 2 beds for these beautiful 2 girls. They have a common bedside table and here they have a big wardrobe with textile and mirror on it, and in front of the bed they have their own makeup desks. On the ceiling we have ring lightings and spot lightings. So now I'm in the kitchen, and in the kitchen we don't have a very big changes because kitchen was already here and it's brand new. I didn't want to demolish it to do another one because this apartment is going to be used for small periods in summertime. And all I can show about this kitchen is this corner. And we can see from here here. So what we do here in this kitchen is we did a small change in the ceiling to be able to have better lighting. We added LED lighting under and over the kitchen cupboards, and we made a furnishing for this corner, and I'm gonna show you that in our application. So as you see, it's gonna be like this when the LEDs are on. And here we have a nice chandelier and some fixed sofa and 2 chairs with a breakfast table and some decoration on the wall, which will be enough. Now I'm in the living room. This place is totally changed. First, a lot of ceiling work is done here. You may see it was whole empty. And it is very much rectangular room with the empty ceiling disturbed me a lot, so I wanted to separate the seating area and the dining area with this kind of ceiling. As you see here in the middle of the living room, which is supposed to be the best part of the apartment, we have these heaters in this side and that side. There is a lot of ways to hide them or to change the heating system or carry them, but we supposed to choose the cheapest way possible. So we designed this living room in order to hide these heaters but not cut the heat coming from them. Let's check the renders of this room. First, I'm gonna show you the first version of the living room, then we will check the final version. Let's see. In the first version, as you see, we have a heater cover, and right next to it we have additional unit for TV unit, and we have gold and silver details all together, and we have like cubicle separators and additional lighting in the entrance. We have two different chairs for the dining room, and we have mirror and metal mixed dining wall design, which is followed with a big, huge library. I cannot say library, but it's kind of shelves and accessories, and a textile wall with golden details, and again a heater cover. Here we have a very big L-shaped sofa and middle tables, some soft seating, side tables, and let's see together the ceiling. As you see, we have different lightings in ceiling. We have spot lightings, we have hidden lighting, we have pendant, so they can use however they want. Come, let's see the final version. So, in the final version, we sticked with the golden details, we eliminated the silver details, and we keep the heater cover, of course. We eliminated that L-shaped unit here and make more simple the design. And the separators are like the continuous pieces of the wall unit. We have another kind of dining wall unit which has hidden lighting inside, more compact, more small, which is accompanied by wall sconces. We have only one type of chairs for the dining room, and the wall behind the sofa is a continuous wall with the same style, without any shelves or accessories, and we keep the sofa as it is. Also, the middle table, but the soft seatings are eliminated. Let's have a quick look at guest room. Let's have a virtual tour inside of guest room. Here we have a place for the books and for the toys, down cabinet. We have wallpaper and a sofa which can become a bed for the guests. And here we have a simple TV unit. And we have movable middle table with wheels under it. Now we are in the room of the youngest person in the family, in their son's room. Let's have a quick look at the renders. Ready to have a tour in this room? We have same kind of ceiling system here also. For the spots, we have a wallpaper, and we have additional wall unit which we changed later, and as you see here, we just painted the wall to make it more economic. Now I'm in the master bedroom. Before I start talking about this area, I would like to tell you, if you are interested about our application and if you want to know how to use it, I'm putting here the link of the related video. And down in the description, I'm giving you the link of the application so you can download it. Let's see which kind of design we did for the master bedroom. Yes, now let's have a tour in this room. Here is our bed and headboard design. We wanted to hide this beam. Here we have a large wardrobe and we have double stage ceiling with golden details, and here we have a makeup desk and this wall unit. Before I finish, I would like to show you the balcony. Have a bit of furnishing and lighting works we are planning to do in the balcony. Let's have a see. I hope you like this video. Please share with me your comments down and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and open the ring in order to know when we are uploading the new video, and don't forget to like this video. I'm not telling you, delete. So we made of their other children. No, what is other children?